In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop to PayPal. We'll guide you through each step so you can follow along seamlessly and ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. This process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Whop dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the Payouts section under the Finances tab. This is where you manage all things related to your earnings and withdrawals. It's important to familiarize yourself with this part of Whop as it will be central to processing your withdrawal. Now, if you haven't already set it up, you might need to establish PayPal as your payout method. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Look for the additional payment methods option, or you might see a setup button right next to PayPal. Clicking one of these will guide you through linking your PayPal account to Whop. This step is crucial as it connects your PayPal account directly with your Whop account, enabling a smoother transfer of funds. However, there's an important point to note. Whop payouts generally require a linked bank account initially. Unfortunately, directly withdrawing funds to PayPal isn't an option through Whop unless the payment you received was initially made via PayPal at checkout. This is a safeguard and standard procedure to help manage the flow and security of your transactions. Make sure you have a bank account linked to avoid any hiccups during the withdrawal process. Once your bank account is successfully linked, you'll return to the Payouts section. Here you'll see the option to withdraw, either withdraw or instant withdrawal, depending on the features available to you at the time. Clicking this will initiate the withdrawal process. Now it's time to decide on your withdrawal frequency. You can choose from options like manual, daily, weekly, or others available. Select what suits your needs the best. After selecting the frequency, go ahead and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double check the details thoroughly to ensure everything is correct. Accuracy is essential here to prevent any issues or delays with your transaction. Finally, you'll want to hit Confirm Withdrawal to finalize your request. And there you have it, a quick step-by-step guide to withdrawing money from Whop to PayPal. Keeping items like your payout options and linked accounts up to date will always smooth out the process. We hope this video has helped demystify the withdrawal journey. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.